you said when you were in opposition, they are no more relevant, and that under reset, you have set in place a new rule, who should be the new president. We are sorry. We cannot be part of it.
Ebushama ma akwa by File Braga and SMTVGH. Message like, comment, subscribe. Turn notifications so on, so that anytime I post a video, be sales. Now NPP near. If I show one video, be say like, comment, and share. Very important. And no never boy NPP in 2028. And never boy. And more like it. Very important. Madam say. NPP for us to mami say mbeka SMB echere Ghana for any most especially some judges at the Supreme Court. Now, asem no simple. But before make asem no message me deliver message na ama omo no. Me pese yen ko eche kakra. Before 2024. Now you will be just about, is it 12 or 13 or so judges at the Supreme Court? I think even 9. The number was somewhere around. And now, Akufo-Addo and make appointments be 3. Be say, yeah, found eka Supreme Court judges ne ho. NPP ni NDC 4 are more vetting committees. Omutinanse vetting Crawford. And I'm moving microphone. And I'm report according to Parliament. NDC for now more Parliament. I catch the NPP for say. Se moon nim na moon nim. Na mo per se. Sa report we and go through. And ye Muja blood was going to flow. After you mark ye diobetinya ye bia almost daddy. Adentia. Na NDC for bisa yen NPP for then say America for more over 200 million citizens nipa dodo send never Supreme Court judge America for Supreme Court judges 9 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 and I mean for any person who is a maybe rational human being no anka asema NDC for can say America for no over 200 and something million. They only have 9 Supreme Court judges. Ghana just about 33 million. We don't need more than that number. Anka is a good argument. But you see, after making that argument, when they came to power, in just 18 months, John Mahama, His Excellency, appointed 121 judges. In just 18 months, so 1 year, 6 months, 121 judges. Now, out of those 121, 10. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. And our appointed to Supreme Court. In just 1 year, 6 months. Right? Now, so 10 now who are appointed within 18 months, bro, even the entire number of judges are more America for Supreme Court. And now the argument. 10. Now, here is a catch. NPP for say, yanka me catch those judges, especially Supreme Court judges that have been appointed by John Mahama and now have gone through vetting because vetting, almost all their vettings, minority boycottier. Almost all of them. 89 NPP4 count. NPP4 did not ask any question. Now, almost Ephraim. And to say we a judge. Now, who name say during your vetting, NPP4 until now, who say 2028, Mahama Eluzipe, who dare resign? And change say, obi the petition, but say, there be one can resign. Because they say, I get to say, we are NDC judge. And we have a very, very valid point. One of the points in it say, we were told by John Mahama, His Excellency, when he was in opposition, say NPP for me feel court, and omo NDC for also bar, they were going to balance the equation. That he said that, and it starts to say, every judge, every appointment that your mama makes as president for the judiciary is going to be a pro NDC appointment. Simple. And what do we do in this country? When him say, oh yeah, pro NDC, now your mama appointment, say your party is going to opposition, who the SL resigning. When resign, you be pamo. You be pamo. And it is a own person disgrace never will see you say ya pamo free to mama and the workers are resigning. A word to the wise is in 2028. Madam Wasi.
Honorable Minority Leader, you are pulling your microphone. I will give you just 5 minutes. It's now 1:48. Exactly 5 minutes. I will stop you.
Chairman, that's not the way to treat your ranking. That's not the way to treat your ranking. Honorable colleagues in the majority, we are only asking you to respect your own principles. Your principles in 2024 and nothing more. This argument of discrimination that you have discovered is again serving your convenience. Yes. I told the majority leader that he has a principle called jurikashi. When he's in trouble, he used takashi and somersault it into jurisprudence. So I call it jurikashi. What you just did is jurikashi. You and I know that there is no set power given to the chair to make a ruling. You know it. Now you say there are some general powers. I kept quiet, please. 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 You are not a member of this committee, so please be calm and let your seniors engage on an important matter. I have not mentioned a name. Please. Who in particular? No, but my colleagues are also there. Yes, but they shouldn't do that. Chairman, what is happening is unfair, it is improper, it lacks principle. All we want to say is that if you insist, because you are the majority, that we don't need any notice. The very things that you said when you were in opposition, they are no more relevant. And that under reset, you have set in place a new rule, which should be the new president. We are sorry. We cannot be part of it. And to the nominees, with greater deference to you, we respect you, and we are not opposed to your nomination, but the process through which the majority is deciding to use is not known to the parliamentary jurisprudence that we all know. So, Chair, thank you very much.
Today, if you need water to wash your hand, I have a bottle of water for you. All right, members, we are proceeding.
Philip Squati for Suya and Becca Tre say, one move basis 600 chip compound said the Bay nest for a cow no, or to me for me, do a and as I said, chip compounds away. And now, agenda 111, I had the blocks is near see community day, community health. The Ayani Demu container, 40 feet contain, classify buying we can't afford to about the mom. The classify buying we. Now, Becca Trem say, aban biaba ajiska aye market. Governance is not one size fits all. Uti krobi wa ohia market, but NDC for mu nimu nyansen they cannot think through this. Some scan no mo pay di keke. Krobi wa they don't need market. Kurobi wo ho a ohia market. Kurobi hia nsio, kurobi hia say. Nti sa wo ka sa wo de ade bro say umpo mi si market de amount. Ko pass asene fesi e. Ko pass asene fesi. Uba ye puna oka so okay dia na nadu si ye no person na nadu legacy be na ebet na ntu gu agu no wesi fufra so okay nti me maame no mo be kwa koton ade wa ha me si wi a na me de aheden na me de mu abem ba ku bia me be ya na me hwe enipa no kra wo store no mu o and ye budi agu o mo so say order from above by force mahama be 24-hour economy nti no ye mumu Ghana and say
ene den na esi wo Ghana yeda ye kosori ye a ye say omampani say market ahodo edwa ahodo ye aban dada no na wo sie nyina ni yemubu ni fancy 24-hour market na nkrofo si na den na ekoso wo Ghana say baby won mo kra suku dan ankoda ko school wo mi yesi ebu akosi 24-hour market baby won mo kra edwa ye aban dada no si ye koso ya opel 24-hour market and ka betimi ekosi bi o baby no ye mu nsi 24-hour market na nkrofo isa say ebe na eden na ekoso yin aman komo no aye bebre wo Ghana nkrofo bisa ho nsem se amane na enei 24-hour market de ekwa akofa benie wo Ghana ana Felix Apia political zone ewo hanumo a yene no edi enkomo edi afasa eniema yi ho ene de ekoso ewo Ghana yi ho Felix memo akwaba
Ejosumia
ene sound from afar ye ko Ghana enkrofo akosemu a wodi abenie ye say aban no ebubu biribia de 24-hour market
ye o say aban ne say den John Mahama o say nanu keka no sa nti say di odwini amagu
was it
obey you oka obey you Mahama JM Mahama unisaiso Mahama egbe JM Ghana for say John Mahama ebu omo dan agu obu omu school it is 24-hour day market JM kosoye awo JM kosoye JM o me ka kire so de kwasi ampani di ade o man ne bre say dey be ametia na me calm you people think say I hate Mahama. I don't hate him, but as a human being with the experiences he has had in life, his decision making is the poorest I have ever seen. Excuse my language, say my little daughter can make better decisions than John.
Hey, yes, I question. What's an injury money say?
Debbie, tie. Me say, me back it to Akrano. The decision making is prudent and proper than John Dramani Mahama. Papa no ye empty. They be a meka. Mo join say ya grow. Mama my pampano. Okay? What nefi 8 years? What swatch Ghana for so okay. And the brana bema ya brabo munye den enyemre anameboa oba ya de oba ye untumi ma me to paint kran fam painting no se adwiri egu emunya ansa ne de but Ghana for etoje mo Ghana for na ama de ya ekoso Ghana for na ama John Mahama and his NDC feel say they are impermeable, like they are the like you know, they are the primal inter parish. That's how they feel because of the way Ghanaians think. You can be bia fa opare ho a mempo pare asem ti say ye no kure na meji edi na mama tan opare for no reason. Has NDC been able to build anything? Let me take you back. Say John Mahama the president da. Okay, so be e-blocks. And I'm a Okobubu old schools go say obey e-blocks into Obubu schools. Or pass I say I would be in e-blocks no. And I'm a boy. Onimu nyansa. Mama ke okay. Onimu nyansa ye dibu my aha. Say na dey ye. And no say bad. Kila onimu nyansa daddy forget it. Onimu nyansa jowa onimu nyansa forget it. Onimu nyansa daddy bo forget it.
O dey to aso kan asem
papa no empty.
Kan asem.
O empty me say okosi e-blocks me boa. So on ni sisi saglemeni ade obubu dangui kasa yinu mu na mbrem na mo nte so wa
oh there be more complaining say osisi wo wurem osisi e blocks no e wa chichi
nyansa di ko wurem when nya ba bi anti di ko wurem
no mo na mo kan
nti wo baby ana shai osudoku de no na uni baby ana ewo I didn't know about NPP turned it into a boarding house.